Good morning, students. Okay, very good morning to all. Okay, now welcome to KRL Memorial CBSE School, Mudhol. I am your English teacher. My name is Geeta Mantur. Okay, see here, students. This is 4th standard class. 4th standard class. Class and subject English. Subject English. Okay, this is 4th standard class and subject English. Okay, listen here, students. In previous class means yesterday we will start. We will learn difficult words. We will learn difficult words. Which lesson? Which lesson we will learn difficult words yesterday? Okay, yes. 6th lesson, letter to an author. Letter to an author. See here, yesterday we will start one of the interesting lesson. Lesson number 6. Lesson number 6. Lesson name, letter. Letter to an author. Okay, letter to an author. Yesterday we will learn difficult words also. Okay, now in this class we will start the lesson. So now all of you open your textbook, page number 57. Page number 57. Okay, I hope now all of you open your textbook. So now I will start the lesson. Okay, see here, students. Yesterday we will complete starter kit. Okay. See these pictures. You can see these pictures and match the correct word. Okay, see here. First one is trumpeter. Okay, first one is trumpeter. Next one is drummer. Next, third one is dancer. Fourth one is painter. Fifth one is flutist. Next one is guitar. Okay, yesterday we will learn this artist. Okay, now in this class we will start the lesson. See here, lesson number 6, letter to an author. Okay, letter to an author. Okay, listen carefully. Now get set. Faith Ringgold. Faith Ringgold was an African American artist. African American artist. She painted lovely pictures. She painted lovely pictures. Faith Ringgold painted lovely pictures on piece of cloth. On piece of cloth. Then she stitched these pieces. These pieces together into the shape. Of a quilt. Her pictures made interesting stories. Children love to read her stories. Faith Ringgold also worked as a professor of art in the University of California. Faith Ringgold also worked as a professor of art in the University of California. Now turn your page. Okay. Here you will read a letter that a child wrote to Faith Ringgold. Here you will read a letter that a child wrote to Faith Ringgold. Okay. See, for now we will read the letter. Okay, letter. Dear Faith Ringgold. Dear Faith Ringgold. Hi, my name is Rosie. My name is Rosie. I am in the 4th grade. I am in the 4th grade. Our teacher, Mrs. Bector. Our teacher, Mrs. Bector, told us about your life. Told us about your life. We learned about how you started drawing and writing stories for children. Okay, Mrs. Bector said we could write to you. We learned that you had asthma when you were little. We learned that you had asthma when you were little. Many times you couldn't go to school. You had to stay in bed. Sometimes I am sick too. I can't go to school. I like to draw and make things with cloth. Just like you did. Our teacher said your mom was a dressmaker. She helped you learn to sew. My mom says sewing bits of cloth together is called piecing or patching. Lots of people make quilts this way. See here, what is the meaning of sew? What is the meaning of sew? ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಲಿಯೋದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ? ಸೀವ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ piecing means tundu. Next, or patching. What is the meaning of patching? Patch. What is the meaning of patch? ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹರಿದಾಗ ಟ್ಯಾಪಿ ಅಂತ ಹಚ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಚ್ಚೋದನ್ನ ಪ್ಯಾಚ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ದ ಕ್ವಿಲ್ಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಕ್ವಿಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಸೇಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡ್ರಾವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ called painted story quilts. I learned they are called thanks. Okay, tanks. Tanks also. Tanka means a drawing or painting on cloth. Drawing or painting on cloth. It means tanka. Okay. It is so easy. It is so easy to carry your paintings. You can just roll them up and carry any way you like. I really like to draw too. I want to be a teacher. When I grow up, I learned that you taught at a college. I want to be like you when I grow up. I have one of your books. It is named Counting to Tar Beach. Counting to Tar Beach. See here, see this picture. Okay, this is that book, Counting to Tar book. Counting to Tar book. Okay. Next, Counting to Tar Beach. I love the picture painted on its cover. I love the picture painted on its cover. Its cover. See that picture. Okay, this picture she so like. Okay, it is my favorite picture. This is her favorite picture. If I lived in a apartment, I would lie on a mattress on the roof and pretend to fly, just like the girl in your story did. Please write more stories about when you were a little girl. Like the girl in your story, I always say to myself, if I really want to, I think I can do anything. Your friend Rosie. See here, student, this is a interesting lesson. One of the letter. Okay, Faith Ringgold. Faith Faith Ringgold. See here, Ringgold is one of the artists. He is in America, American. Okay. See here, Faith Ringgold was an African American artist. She painted lovely pictures on piece of cloth. Then she stitched these pictures together into the shape of a quilt. Her pictures made interesting stories. Children love to read her stories. Faith Ringgold also worked as a professor of art in the University of California. See here, Faith Ringgold is one of the artists. He is an African American artist. She painted lovely pictures on piece of cloth. Sorry, he, not she. He. Okay. He, not. Faith Ringgold is a she. Okay. She painted lovely pictures. Faith Ringgold painted lovely pictures on piece of cloth. Then she stitched these pieces together into the shape of a quilt. What is the meaning of quilt? Quilt means gadi. Now use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ bed. What is quilt means bed. Okay. Next one. Then she stitched. First she painted lovely pictures on a piece of cloth. Then that cloth together stitched. Okay. Then she stitched these pieces of cloth together. Then that became shape of a quilt. Next, that became when she was stitched that pieces that time look like a quilt. Okay, then into the shape of a quilt. That shape quilt. Okay, her pictures made interesting stories. Yes, she painted on a pictures on cloth. Okay, she painted pictures on a cloth. Then she stitches that cloth that look like a quilt. That pictures made interesting stories. Her painted pictures made interesting stories. Okay, then children love to read her stories. When her paintings interesting stories, that time most of the children always love and interest read her stories. Faith Ringgold stories. Okay, Faith Ringgold also worked as a professor. She worked as a professor. Which university? University of California. Okay. See here, students. Faith Ringgold was an African American artist. ನಾನು ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವ ಏನಾಗ್ಯಾನ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಆಫ್ರಿಕನ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಾನ. ಓಕೆ, ಶಿ ಪೇಂಟೆಡ್ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಇವಳು ಫೇತ್ ರಿಂಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋರು ಹುಡುಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಳು ಲವ್ಲಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸುಂದರವಾದಂತಹ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಒಂದು ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್, ಒಂದು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತುಂಡಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತುಂಡನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಎರಡು ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ವಿಲ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗಾದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೆಡ್ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್. ಈಕಿ ಒಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳೇ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಹೌದು, ನಾವು ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಲೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿಗಳ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದು, ಆ ರೀತಿ ಈಕಿ ಒಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನೋ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು, ಭಾಳ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದವು. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಲವ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ಹರ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್. ಎಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ರೀಡ್ ಟು ಹರ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಇವರ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಓದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಫೇತ್ ರಿಂಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಫೋರ್ನಿಯಾ. ಇವರು ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರು ತಮ್ಮ ವೃತ್ತಿಯೊಳಗ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್. ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಫೋರ್ನಿಯಾ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. University of California. Okay, California. University of California. ಇವರು ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಫೋರ್ನಿಯಾ. ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಫೋರ್ನಿಯಾ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಒಳಗಿರೋಬ್ರು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಟರ್ನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇಜ್. Here you will read a letter that a child wrote to Faith Ringgold. One of the child write a letter to Faith Ringgold. Here this letter. Okay, see this letter first. We will learn. Dear Faith Ringgold. Dear Faith Ringgold. Hi, my name is Rosie. I am in the 4th grade. Our teacher Mrs. Becter told us about your life. We learned about how you started drawing and writing stories for children. Mrs. Becter said we could write to you. See here. See here, students. Dear, one of the child write a letter to a Faith Ringgold because he interest and he loved to her pictures and her stories. Okay, her stories. So that time she write a letter to Faith Ringgold. Here that letter. Okay, see this letter. Dear Faith Ringgold. Okay. Hi, my name is Rosie. Child name is Rosie. Her name is Rosie. Okay. Next, I am in the 4th grade. She is in a 4th grade. Okay, 4th grade. She is in 4th grade and she's named Rosie. She's named Rosie. Next, our teacher Mrs. Becter. Her teacher Mrs. Becter. Okay. Who wrote a letter to Faith Ringgold? Okay, Rosie write the letter to Faith Ringgold. She's named Rosie and she is in 4th grade. Okay, she is in 4th grade and her teacher name Mrs. Becter. Okay, told us about your life. She's teacher told us about her life, Faith Ringgold life. Okay, we learned about how you started drawing and writing stories for children. That Rosie and his friends, all students, learn about how you started. Learn about Faith Ringgold when she was started drawing and writing stories for children. When she was started drawing and writing stories for children from her teacher. Teacher name is Mr. Becter. Rosie from her teacher she know how and why drawing and writing stories for children. Faith Ringgold. Okay. Next, Mrs. Becter said we could write to you. Mrs. Becter said we could write to you. Okay. Next, we learned that you had asthma. When you were little. Many times you couldn't go to school. You had to stay in bed. See here, we learned. Rosie learned you had asthma when you were little. When Ringgold, little girl, that time he had asthma disease. Okay, asthma means ಕಫ ಎದೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಕುಂತು ಉಸಿರಾಟದ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಸ್ತಮಾ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಸ್ತಮಾ ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು ರೋಗ. ಹಂಗ ರಿಂಗ್ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಅಸ್ತಮಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ರೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಇದ್ದತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ when she was little girl. Okay, many times, most of the times you couldn't go to school because she is in asthma. She had an asthma khaile. Okay, next, you had to stay in bed. That time she had to stay in bed because she is already feel because asthma she had in asthma. Okay, Faith Ringgold when she was little girl, that time she had in asthma. Okay, so she was most of the time she didn't going to school and she stay in bed. Okay, now see here students, ರೋಸಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಆಕಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಫೇತ್ ರಿಂಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಂದ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಾಳೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕಿ ಟೀಚರಿಂದ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಾಳೆ. ಆಕಿ ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್ ಬೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಟೀಚರಿಂದ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಾಳೆ. ಹೌದು, ಅವರು ಹೆಂಗ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಂಗ ಸ್ಟೋರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೇತ್ ರಿಂಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅವರು ಲಿಟಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಗು ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವೊಂದು ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗೆ ಒಳಗಾಗಿದ್ರು, ಅಸ್ತಮಾ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗೆ ಒಳಗಾಗಿದ್ರು. ಇದರಿಂದ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಲ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೆಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಸಮಯನ ಕಳೆದ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅವಧಿಯೊಳಗೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಾವು ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಫೇತ್ ರಿಂಗೋಲ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, half of the letter. Now in this class we read half of the lesson, Rosie's letter. Okay, next class we will continue letter. Okay, we will continue read this letter. Okay, thank you one and all. Remaining we will continue next class.